Industrial businesses are always eager to improve the value obtained from their production processes. Owners and designers of these assets may have several ideas that could provide such gains, but industrial plants are complex entities, composed by highly sensitive assets, tightly interconnected to each other. With that complexity at hand, assessing the value and the risk associated to an improvement initiative is regularly a challenging task. Methods and technologies to model, simulate, and forecast reliability, availability, and maintainability provide an effective way to deal with that complexity and allows you to conquer new business value in a risk-controlled manner.
Plan design and performance improvement through reliability, availability, and maintainability modeling and simulation. Join us in our next workshop.